everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. I am super excited about today's episode of I Try Before You Buy because it is something I desperately needed. Oh! What? I stuck myself. I normally, record videos and I always find myself needing pens. And so I have this little magnet that I normally use for pens, and then I'm like, okay, well, where do I put it? And so I bring a stool to put it on, different things like that.
Why the stool here if I have pens over there? So.
And if you are the type of person that does like styling, costuming, different things like that, I think that this product is for you. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button below and hit the bell to turn on all the notifications so you never miss another video. And share this video so everyone knows all the amazing stuff going on here. And it is a magnetic pen holder that attaches to your arm. So handy. I'm hoping that this is a winner, that it works. I'll put the price right here on the screen. I'll put the link in the description box. Hopefully this is, by the end of this is something that I can recommend because I desperately needed it. And yes, it came the packaging was not great. It was kind of falling apart when I got it. But if this baby works, I will forgive the packaging issue. Okay, so let's take it out. It is like, you remember those old slap bracelets? It basically has one of those. And so that's what it uses to attach to your arm. So it has this like little rubber that goes over the magnet, and it has a little loop on the back. And so you just put that in there, line it up first. Then we have our slap bracelet. Make sure it's going in the right direction. Okay. And then we'll just slide it through. Once it's kind of in the middle, let's try it out. Perfect. Well, at least it slaps on my arm perfect. Let's see how it works with pens. I don't know if magnets react bad with your watches. Y'all let me know in the comments because I don't want to mess up my watch. But I'm gonna push my watch up that way. I'm right-handed, so I would definitely have my pens on my left hand. So let's put some pens on here and test this baby out. All right, so let's see if the pens will actually hold onto the magnet. Now, this is the weird thing. You would think that the groove is for the pens, but it's not. The groove repels the pens, and the pens want to go across. So let's do a test to see if they stay on. So like literally, I am shaking my arm really hard and they are not going anywhere. So unless you brush up against something to make them or pull them off, I don't think these pens are going anywhere. I think that this may be the it product, the cheap, it product for the week. Yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised. I can definitely see this being used whenever I am altering things, pinning things, especially on myself as well as even other people. It's yeah. Even sitting down, like I initially got it for when I'm in front of the camera fitting things on myself, but even when I'm sitting down and I have stuff laid out on a flat surface, it's just a really convenient thing to have. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think about this thing. If you have one, why didn't y'all tell me? Y'all saw me struggling in videos. And y'all was supposed to let me know. But if you don't have one, I would highly recommend it. Even if there's a ton of them. And as a matter of fact, I've been getting, like if you probably see the ads on Instagram and Facebook for these different places that have the little sewing attachments and everything like that. That's where I got the idea for this. And then I went on Amazon and saw if they had one so that I could give you guys a link for it. But anywhere. They have them. Just do a little bit of research. You can find them. And I can honestly highly recommend this one. These pens aren't going anywhere. So if I find a downside to it later on, I'll definitely put it in the description box or the comments. But yeah, I think this is definitely a winner. So yeah, this is my new favorite little tool. So I feel like this video was super quick and it went by too fast, but you guys definitely let me know in the comment section what you want me to try next. Like I said, if it's something super expensive, I can reach out to the company and see if they'll let me try it. Otherwise, I'm willing to spend a couple of dollars for different things. So I'm super excited for what we have coming up next. I know that you guys requested that I do another of those handheld sewing machines. I'm gonna try to find one that actually works, as well as that little foot attachment on the sewing machine that tries to turn a regular sewing machine into a serger. I'm definitely going to try that. So if there's anything else you guys want me to try that you've been eyeing, sewing machines, anything for sewing or upcycling, let me know in the comments. And I definitely have other videos for you right here, as well as this top. I don't know if you guys even remember this. This is an oldie but goodie, but it's right here. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!